Okay. Welcome back to second class. Okay, trigonometry class. Yeah. So we are discussing actually seventh problem discussion is over. No. Now we have to discuss the eighth question of exercise 11.1. We'll continue with that exercise discussion. Yeah. Eighth question is like this. If 3 cot A is equal to 4, check whether 1 minus tan square A divided by 1 plus tan square A is equal to cos square A minus sin square A or not. So we have to check. We don't know actually whether these are equal or not. LHS and RHS. In LHS part, 1 minus tan square A divided by 1 plus tan square A, which is equal to cos square A minus sin square A. Whether this equal to this, we have to check. Using the condition 3 cot A is equal to 4. So if 3 cot A is equal to 4, what is the ratio of cot A actually? Cot A is 4 by 3. Cot A adjacent by opposite. So here A is marked angle because here A is mentioned. If A is marked angle, BC is opposite, AB is adjacent. Now adjacent by opposite is 4 by 3. This is 4K, this is 3K. So using Pythagoras theorem, we have to find out this AC. So this opposite and adjacent are 3 and 4, then hypotenuse is 5 only. Okay, calculation. AC square is equal to 16K square plus 9K square. That is AC square is equal to 25K square. AC is equal to 5K. 4, 3, 5. We got the three sides measurement. So now what we need actually? Tan A, cos A, sin A. Three ratios we need. We'll start with the sin A. Sin A, here we have to write A also. Okay. Sin A. Opposite by hypotenuse. So according to the marked angle, this one is marked angle. Opposite is this one 3K. Hypotenuse is 5K. 3 by 5. Cos is adjacent by hypotenuse, that is 4K by 5K, that is 4 by 5. Tan A is 1 by cot A, that is 3 by 4. Okay, here cot A is 4 by 3, in the sense tan A is 3 by 4. Now we got the required ratios. Now the work is we have to substitute this side and this side. We have to check whether LHS is equal to RHS. Now we'll start with the LHS part. First we'll take the LHS part only. So 1 minus tan square A divided by 1 plus tan square A. Substitute 1 minus tan square A. Tan A value is 3 by 4. Tan square in the sense 3 by 4 whole square. That divided by 1 plus 3 by 4 whole square. Okay. Which is equal to. 1 second student. Everything is okay. No recording part is going. Yes. Okay. Yeah. So now 1 minus here 3 by 4 whole square is 9 by 16. That divided by 1 plus 9 by 16. Now again same step like seventh problem. 16 is a LCM. 16 minus 9, that divided by 16 plus 9 divided by 16. Okay, after the simplification here 7 by 16. Here 25 by 16, then direct reciprocal step 7 by 16 into 16 by 25. You can skip some steps, okay. So then you will get 7 by 25. LHS you got the answer as 7 by 25. Now we have to see the RHS part. If we got RHS also 7 by 25, then the given condition is true. See here, RHS is cos square A minus sin square A. Cos A is 4 by 5 whole square. Cos square A is 4 by 5 whole square. Minus sin square A is 3 by 5 whole square. Then 16 by 25 minus 9 by 25. That is, see here denominators are same. Then 16 minus 9 is 7 by 25. So here LHS is also 7 by 25 and RHS part is also 7 by 25. From this result, we can conclude that 1 minus tan square A divided by 1 plus tan square A is equal to cos square A minus sin square A. Is that clear, students? Yes, this is about the 8th question. Now we'll go to 9th problem. What is that 9th question? In a triangle ABC, right angled at B, if tan A is 1 by root 3, tan A measurement is given 1 by root 3, find the value of sin A into cos C plus cos A into sin C. Very simple, students. This is an expression given. We have to find out this one. For that, what we need? Sin A ratio, cos C ratio, cos A ratio, sin C ratio. First, very important thing is we have to write the ratios properly. Then just a substitution and simplification. That substitution and simplification everyone know. Okay. So now tan A is given. Tan A is nothing but opposite side by adjacent side. Okay, now A is marked angle. This is opposite. BC is opposite. AB is adjacent. Therefore, BC by AB is 1 by root 3. So, BC is 1K. Okay, BC is actually opposite side. Next to AB is adjacent side. Then, tan A is equal to 1 by root 3. BC divided by AB which is equal to 1 by root 3, correct? So then BC which is equal to root 3K, AB which is equal to 1K. 1 second. Tan A is equal to BC by AB. See here in the 9th question, actually BC which is equal to 1K we have to choose and AB is equal to root 3K we have to choose. Here the values are exchanged actually. AC is right, AC is 2K only. Then you have to change all these sin A, cos C, sin C. Okay, you just correct these portion and just find the value of sin A, cos C plus cos A into sin A. That is left for you only. Okay. Okay, you have to complete that problem. Is that clear, students? Yes. Next, 10th question. The 10th question is very simple. Just in 1 minute, I'll explain that one. In a triangle PQR, right angled at Q, PR plus QR which is equal to 25 centimeter and PQ is equal to 5 centimeter. Determine the values of sin P, cos P, tan P. Okay. Here angle P, they are asking for angle P. Marked angle is angle P. Then QR is opposite side and PQ is adjacent side. PR is hypotenuse side. What is given? Actually, we worked out this type of problem in the example part now. That is PR plus QR is equal to 25 is given. Then PQ is 5 centimeter is given. Using this condition, we have to work out all the sides. PR is equal to 25 minus QR. We can change this PR as 25 minus QR. PQ is 5. Apply the Pythagoras theorem. PR square is equal to PQ square plus QR square. Then PR square is equal to 25 plus QR square. Then after the calculation, you will get QR is equal to 12. Like yesterday example problem only, same to same problem. So QR 12, then QR 12 adre PR is equal to 13. We got all the side measurement. So using that measurement, sin P, cos P, tan P ratio you have to write using the ratio. Is that clear, student, this problem? Yes, it is very simple like yesterday's last example problem. Now this one is state whether the following are true or false. Justify your answer. Actually, so the value of tan A is always less than 1. Value of tan A is always less than 1. Actually, so no, it's a false statement. It's a false statement. Why it is false? So tan A, for example, opposite by hypotenuse. In opposite side, 4 is there. Adjacent 3 is there. 4 by 3. It is not less than 1. No. If 3 by 4, then it is less than 1. Sometimes that opposite side and adjacent sides are equal. So then that time you will get the opposite by adjacent equal to 1 also. So we cannot conclude that value of tan A is always less than 1 at the conclusion kodlik barodilla. Sometimes it is greater than 1, sometimes it is equal to 1, sometimes it is less than 1. So that's why this statement is false statement. It is a ratio of opposite by adjacent. Okay, tan is a ratio of the opposite and adjacent. Now, the second statement is secant A is equal to 12 by 5 for some value of angle A. Secant A is equal to 12 by 5 for some value of angle A. So whether this is true or false? True, because secant is hypotenuse by adjacent. hypotenuse can be 12k and adjacent can be 5k, as hypotenuse is always greater than adjacent. See, hypotenuse secant A is 12 by 5, true. Why it is true? Because in the numerator is a greater value, because secant A ratio is hypotenuse by adjacent. In right angle triangle, always the greater side is hypotenuse side. That's why we can give the answer as true. Yes, this ratio is true. Okay. Next, third one. Cos A is the abbreviation used for the cosecant of angle A. Is it really? Cos A is the abbreviation used for cosecant angle A? No. In the first class, you just recall the first class. Cos A is the abbreviation used for cosine A. Cos A the full name ಏನಾಗಿತ್ತು? Cosine. Cosecant ಅಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಕೋಸಿಕೆಂಟ್ ಕೋಸೆಕ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು ಇದು ಫುಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್. ಓಕೆ, ಕಾಸ್ ಎ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದ್ರದ್ದು ಅಬ್ರಿವೇಶನ್ ಕೋಸೈನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, fourth one, cot A is the product of cot and A. As it's wrong statement. Cot A is the product of cot and A. That's a false statement. Cot A ಅನ್ನೋದು ಒಂದು single word. Cot A. So in the problem we discussed, actually we cannot take cot only. It's a meaningless actually. So we have to write cot A full term, single term. Okay, ಇದು single term ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಇದೆ. cot A ಆ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಡ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ನ ಒಂದು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇದು ಕಾಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಎ ಅಂಡ್ ಸಪರೇಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಇದು. ಓಕೆ, ಕಾಟ್ ಎ is a single term. Justification I'll send in the WhatsApp group here. So justification is empty, no? So this is a false statement because cot A is a single word. It is having one meaning. Okay, we cannot take cot separate or A separate. Okay, now last one, sin theta is equal to 4 by 3 for some angle theta. Sin theta, opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite by hypotenuse. In the denominator, hypotenuse is there. So is it really true? So hypotenuse is smaller, 3 is smaller than 4. So false statement because sin theta is opposite by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse can't be less than opposite side. Okay, so this is a false statement. I think you have got the clear picture of the first 11.1 exercise. No, only that 9th question in that exchange. Okay, that BC and AB value exchange, you just do that correction. Okay, complete that problem. So by evening I'll send all the solutions to you. Just write it in your fair notebook. Okay, so now this is the end of exercise 11.1 discussion. Tomorrow we are going to discuss the new topic. Okay, if you are having any confusion in exercise 11.1, now you can discuss fast. Otherwise we'll end the class.